Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix emoji option not showing in iPhone keyboard. So as you can see here, so right now I'm on my notes and I opened my keyboard, and as you can see the emoji option is not available on my iPhone keyboard. So if you're also facing this error, follow these easy steps to easily fix it. So we have to add the emoji keyboard first. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on general and tap on keyboard. Tap on keyboards and first of all tap on add new keyboard. And now tap on the search keyboard box and type here emoji and tap on emoji. Once you successfully added emoji keyboard, now again go to any app and simply open your keyboard, and now at the bottom left corner you should see the emoji option. Now you can easily use emoji keyboard on your iPhone. So this is how we can actually solve this problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.